Okay, I finished up my outriggers and put a new seat on this thing. The seat that comes with this Field and Stream Eagle Talon 12 is junk. So I installed this thing here. Cost me 45 bucks from Dick's. I've got my outriggers. Needed more stability. I'm a pretty big guy and this thing's a little shaky. Got it where I can put it on and off pretty quick. I didn't glue this side and I just put a pin through. I've actually got a 1 inch piece of PVC running through to give a little more stability here in the middle. So when I get back from vacation next week, I'll give it a try. I'm gonna go to the Keys. Just can't take it with me. I don't have enough room in the Kia. Don't want to drive the pickup. So, all right. Till next time.